Can you introduce your family in English confidently? Today, in day 8 of our Learn English in Summer series, you will learn how to describe your family tree in simple and easy English. By the end of this video, you can talk about your parents, grandparents, siblings, cousins, and relatives naturally in English. Part 1. Family vocabulary. Immediate family. Father, dad, mother, mom, brother, sister, son, daughter, husband, wife. Extended family. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece. Part 2. What is a family tree? A family tree shows the relationship between family members. Example, grandfather plus grandmother. Father, mother, brother, sister. It is called a family tree because it grows like a tree. Part 3. Simple sentences about family. Basic introductions. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a teacher. My mother is a homemaker. I have one brother. My sister studies in college. Part 4. Real life conversation. Conversation practice. Friend. How many people are there in your family? You. There are 5 people in my family. Friend. What does your father do? You. My father is a farmer. Friend. Do you have siblings? You. Yes, I have one younger sister. Part 5. Relationship words. Important vocabulary. Parents, children, relatives, married, single, elder brother, younger sister, twins. Practice sentences. My parents are very supportive. I am the eldest child in my family. We visit our relatives during festivals. Part 6. Describe your family. Example paragraph. My family is small and happy. There are 4 members in my family. My mother, father, younger brother, and me. My father works in an office and my mother is a teacher. We love spending time together. Practice activity. Now pause the video and introduce your family in English. My family has. My father is. My mother likes. I have. We live in. Confidence boost. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. English becomes easy when you speak about your real life. If you enjoyed today's lesson, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Tomorrow in day 9, we will learn another useful English topic for daily life. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling. Thank you.